a new positive effects of Rosehip, which contains all the beneficial components of the soil and has been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times, is discovered every day. The most common use for rosehip, which can be included in many recipes in kitchens with its high vitamins and mineral pool, is tea. This tea, which provides incredible benefits to our body when consumed at the right time and amount, is occur for many diseases. What are the benefits of rosehip tea consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming rosehip tea? The riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, and phytosterol substance found in rosehips, which are beneficial for lowering bad cholesterol in the blood, work together to reduce inflammation in the vascular system. At the same time, many minerals such as magnesium, zinc, potassium, manganese, and iron, which are very important for your heart, are found in very rich amounts in rosehip. The substance support the activities of the cardiovascular system and reduce the mechanical stress in the vessels, allowing the vessels to relax. In addition, rosehip is used as a stomach protector against digestive system diseases such as stomach acid deficiency, stomach irritations, and ulcers. The pectin it contains has a corrective effect on digestive problems caused by the unbalanced functioning of the intestines. It also facilitates digestion and removes intestinal parasites from the body through digestion. In addition, rosehip tea is rich in minerals that balance the amount of sugar in your blood and control the way it is used by the body. It reduces the risk of glycation formation with other minerals including phosphorus, which has antioxidant properties. In this way, it assumes very important responsibilities in the control of blood sugar. Rosehip tea for healthier muscle and bone tissue. The high amount of calcium and iron it contains play an important role in the transport of oxygen in the blood and supporting healthy and strong bones. They work to reduce the risk of arthritis, especially in older ages. Rosehip contains more vitamin C than fruits such as tangerines and oranges. At the same time, rosehip, which strengthens the immune system thanks to polyphenols and antioxidants, has rich vitamins and minerals in addition to lycopene, vitamin A, B, and C, as well as valuable minerals such as magnesium and iron. We are with you in our fight against diseases by increasing immune resistance. In addition, when used correctly, rosehip tea helps to eliminate edema caused by excess sodium in the body, accelerates metabolism, prolongs satiety, and slows down sugar absorption. So, is rosehip tea harmful? First of all, rosehip, which cleanses the intestinal and stomach tract from toxins and bacteria, can create a feeling of discomfort in the digestive system when used excessively, and and consciously. In addition, this tea, which relaxes the muscles and reduces tension, can cause side effects such as fatigue when consumed in excess. So, how much and well should be rosehip tea be consumed? Experts recommend consuming rosehip tea 3 to 4 days a week, a glass a day. In the light of this information, you can add rosehip tea to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, be informed.